Okay, we got the rear end up under the car on a jack, trying to start getting it up under there. Got one spring under it, fixing to try to, got the upper control arms, trailing arms, whatever you want to call them, hooked up. Fixing to try to hook up the lower ones. Got one spring in it, so we're going to try to get this hooked up and see if we can get the jack out from under it, where we can let it down and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the rear end bolted up under it. I don't have the rubber hoses to hook the brake lines to the calipers, so I got to get them ordered. But we're fixing to go ahead and put the wheels on so we can set this thing on the ground and see what it's going to look like. So let's get to that. I'm ready. Okay, here we go. I'm kind of nervous and excited. Well, goes up on there. Well, it fits like that so far. Ooh, let's see. Stand back and look at it. Oh yeah. Alright, now we gotta get the other one on so we can let it down and everything get into place and see what it looks like. Hang on. Okay, we got the rear end up under it, got the wheels on. We get them cleaned up, they're gonna look good. Now we don't have none of the arms adjusted. We gotta adjust our pitch or get all that, get out adjusted. But that's pretty close to where it's gonna be. This one looks like it may need to come back just a little compared to the other side. But we still gotta hook up the brakes and tighten everything down. When we get all that done, we'll get everything adjusted and get it aligned to a starting spot. And that'll get us something to try, and then we'll go from there. But we're fixing to let it down on the ground and see what it looks like. Let it on the ground.
Did you let somebody help you, or did you just do it yourself?
I just manned up. See if I can turn this jack slowly where I can get back and look at it.
It looks like a whole lot of tire from right there.
It does, don't it?
Looks good.
I think this side I may have to get some adjustable lower arms, because I think this one needs to go back just a tad. The whole
video is not very clear, so I can't tell like depth or nothing.
Yeah.
It's, you know how like when it's real pixelated or whatever.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the way yours is from here. I'll send you a picture here in a minute.
Alright, but man, it looks like a whole lot of tires. It looks good.
It does, don't I like it. But what's good, I think you can put a little more tire on it. We may go 28 fives. You know, we just go fast on a 28.5. You know what I mean?
A 10.5W. Go with 10.5W.
Yeah, we ain't gonna be as big as them other guys. We just run the small block. It's just a small block.
Yeah.
See you.
See you.
How you in this thing?
This way.
Oh, there it is. All right, there it is. I was on the phone with Drake. They're up in the mountains. I know he wanted to see it live too. So anyway, there it is. I can't wait to run it around the block like that. Okay, here it is out on the ground, out on the flat where you can get around it good. That's what she looks like. It's the right side. Walk behind it here. Left side, driver's side. We get everything set like it's supposed to be, get the ride height set all the way around. Woo, this thing's gonna look good.